Hey guys, Dan TDM here. Ever wanted to make your Minecraft world truly your own? Datapacks are the answer. They're like secret ingredients for your game, letting you change recipes, add new items, and even control how mobs behave. Imagine a world where trees drop diamonds, or where zombies run in fear from the sun. Datapacks make all this possible and more. No more being limited by the basic game. You become the master of your Minecraft destiny. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just starting out, Datapacks offer endless possibilities for customization. It's like having a magic wand that lets you reshape your Minecraft experience. So are you ready to unleash your creativity and dive into the world of Datapacks? Let's go! Okay, so what exactly is a data pack made of? It's simpler than you might think. Think of it like a neat folder on your computer. Inside, you'll find a few key things. First up, we have the data folder. This is where the magic happens. It holds all the information about your Datapacks changes, like new recipes or mob behaviors. Then there's the pack.mcmeta file. This is like the Datapacks ID card. It tells Minecraft the name of your Datapack, what version it's for, and other important details. Lastly, you might have a functions folder. This is where you can put together sequences of commands to create cool events in your game. More on that later. Don't worry if it sounds a bit confusing now. We'll go through each part step by step. Just remember, it's all organized in a simple folder structure, making it easy to manage. Let's get our hands dirty and create a simple data pack. For this example, we'll make trees drop diamonds. Trust me, it's easier than it sounds. Step 1. Open your Minecraft folder. You can find it in your app data folder. Step 2. Go to saves, then choose the world where you want to use your data pack. Step 3. Create a new folder called Datapacks. This is where your data pack will live. Step 4. Inside Datapacks, create another folder for your data pack. Let's name it diamond_trees. Step 5. Create a text file inside diamond_trees and name it pack.mcmeta. Remember, this is our Datapacks ID card. Step 6. Open pack.mcmeta using a text editor and paste the following code. JSON pack_format. 10. Description trees drop diamonds. Step 7. Save the pack.mcmeta file. Congratulations, you've created your first Datapack structure. Now, let's make those diamonds rain. We've built our Datapack skeleton. Now let's give it some life. We'll add the code that makes trees drop diamonds. Step 1. Inside your diamond_trees folder, create a new folder called Data. Step 2. Inside Data, create another folder called Minecraft. Step 3. Inside Minecraft, create a folder called Loot_tables. Step 4. Inside Loot_tables, create a folder called Blocks. See, it's all about folders. Step 5. Finally, inside Blocks, create a text file named oak_log.json. This file controls what oak logs drop. Step 6. Open oak_log.json with a text editor and paste the following code. JSON, type Minecraft block pools, roles 1 entries. Type Minecraft item, name Minecraft diamond. Step 7. Save the file. That's it. Start your Minecraft world and load the world with the data pack. Now chop down oak trees and watch the diamonds pour in. Section 5. Datapack Pro Tips. Making life easier. Creating Datapacks is even more fun with a few handy tricks up your sleeve. Here are some tips to level up your Datapack game. Use a good text editor. Notepad++ or VS Code make working with code much easier. They even highlight syntax errors. Comments are your friends. Leave comments in your code to explain what each part does. You'll thank yourself later. Start simple, then expand. Begin with small changes and gradually add more complex features as you gain confidence. The internet is your toolbox. There are tons of online resources, tutorials, and even pre-made data packs to learn from. Don't be afraid to experiment. The best way to learn is by doing. Try out different commands and see what cool things you can create. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you experiment with data packs, the more you'll discover and the more amazing your Minecraft worlds will become. Section 6. Commanding your world. A look at functions. Ready to take your data packs to the next level? Let's talk about functions. Functions are like mini programs within your data pack. They allow you to execute multiple commands in a specific order, creating complex events and gameplay mechanics. Remember that functions folder we talked about earlier? That's where functions live. Each function is a separate text file with a make_art function extension. Inside these files, you can write a series of commands, one per line. For example, you could create a function that summons a lightning bolt, plays a sound effect, and then teleports the player to a random location. The possibilities are limitless. To run a function, you can use the /function command in-game or trigger it through other means like advancements, which we'll discuss later. Functions add a whole new dimension to Datapacks, enabling you to create truly unique and dynamic experiences in your Minecraft world. Section 7, predicates, adding conditions to your commands. Sometimes you only want a command to run if certain conditions are met. That's where predicates come in. Predicates act like if statements for your commands. Imagine you want to give a player a diamond sword, but only if they have a specific item in their inventory. You can use a predicate to check for that item before executing the command. Predicates are stored in JSON files within the predicates folder of your Datapack. They allow you to check for various conditions such as the player's location, the time of day, or even the weather. By combining predicates with functions and other Datapack features, you can create incredibly intricate and responsive gameplay systems. You can tailor your world to react realistically to player actions and choices, making for a truly immersive experience. Section 8. Advancements, triggering events with style. Advancements are another powerful tool in your Datapack arsenal. While they're primarily used for achievements, advancements can also trigger custom events when specific conditions are met. For example, you could create an advancement that triggers when a player breaks a certain block. Upon achieving the advancement, you could then execute a function that rewards the player, spawns enemies, or modifies the environment. Advancements are defined in JSON files within the Advancements folder of your Datapack. They offer a more structured and versatile way to trigger events compared to simply relying on command blocks or redstone contraptions. By mastering advancements, you can create dynamic quests, hidden secrets, and unique challenges within your Minecraft world. Let your imagination run wild and see what amazing adventures you can craft. Section 9, go forth and create your Datapack adventure begins. So there you have it, a crash course on the awesome world of Minecraft Datapacks. We've covered the basics from creating simple loot tables to unleashing the power of functions, predicates, and advancements. But this is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you start experimenting, exploring, and letting your creativity run wild. Don't be afraid to try new things, break stuff, and learn from your mistakes. Remember, the Minecraft community is full of passionate creators and resourceful players. There are tons of online resources, tutorials, and communities dedicated to Datapacks. Don't hesitate to seek help, share your creations, and learn from others. Now go out there, build amazing things, and transform your Minecraft world into something truly extraordinary. I can't wait to see what you create.